over there. Yes, brother Roy. Hit it. Hit it, Jamaican. Hit it. Harder. Hit it again. Yeah, man, peace. So we like stone yesterday. So brother Roy, I go and beat off some height, you know. Stubborn stone, them in the peeps. Crack up, but to all the stone set. Just have to take it out bit by bit. Bit by bit, you know. So you go, brother Roy. Look at that, guys. Stone a shake, but it now burst. How we want it to burst. You have to take it small. Bit by bit. All of that crack gone under the side, boy. Why bar, man? See, all of this bus gone around, so. You use the bar and price it out. Crack gone way across, but then I get no space to price. It's so easy. That bus gone. Who you ever saying it? Gone way up on us. Take out the piece by piece, man. You want it come big, but it not come in big at all. Go and buy it and blow. Yo, dig off them little piece, man. Dig off them piece of iron, so. Dig off it, son. What? I still do what about that? Taking it out the way. Dumping out the place with them same time. What? Yes, my people, so we start the belting. Look at that. It's kind of overcast, guys. So we have a level line up there from one end of the building to the other. That's the line we are using to put up the formwork. In the bathroom. Going around the bedroom, around the background here. So.
That is it. See when we catch fire in a store in a ramp. See people?
That's the power of fire, you understand?
Yeah, see the man never take you out. Ramp put around here.
Black fire still nice. The man say, go and light it and take it out piece by piece to reach where I want it to go. Come on, bite it off. You fresh and just come back. A vacation you might come over. No, man, you might come over vacation, man. You might get good treatment in the yard. Unlike we run, so we not get no good treatment. Man, the hard labor. Still want pull off, put it on the ground. The way you take it off, you pull. Can't drive, brother. Revoke your license for you, man. Put it up now. Half inch over here. I'm put it back over there. Yeah. Out, out, out. How much is that cut?
Rasta! Yes, Rasta!
Pay attention to Rasta, brother. You pay attention to him work. 2 inch.
No. So guys, this is a view from up top. You can see we are making good progress. So this decking won't be a flat decking, guys. Only the washroom and the kitchen will deck flat. The rest of the building will be on a hip. And we'll set it on a rear, guys. So we'll slant it to both sides, left and right, to run off the water. And we'll have catchment up there. Send the water in the tank. So that is
Yeah.
the plan of this house.
The handy.
So we're putting in some cages right now. Yes guys, so we have a video when we were building the steel cage. So we cut them to how we want them, those that needs cutting. And some of them will just go straight through, like the long side of the building. Those won't be cut. Those will actually be spliced out. So we'll join them up. Those that needs joining. And those that needs cutting, we'll just cut them and put them in. So people just stay tuned and just watch the process as we go along, guys, throughout this video. Thank you for sticking and staying. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking up this video. Thank you for sharing it out. Pick up yourself, impressive family who are just viewing. Join the family as well.
Hercules, right?
Subscribe button. So Mr. Correction is actually doing is chopping up the boxing, because we're about to pour concrete in it as well. So we don't want it to brace on two sides, so we have to chop it up, guys.
And I make me take drop off and you can't go back in, sir. You and tape on a friend. So you nearly up on a jaw in brother. What kind of man this man? What manner of man is this? You reach? Much you get? 7 inches? 5 and 3/4? Five and 3/4, you're good enough. Learn the tricks in the trade, brother Roy. You're way up there already, man. That's what I go on in the youth. Learning the tricks in the trade. Okay. I don't man work. Oh, you giant too much. Do not doubt this man. A long time. Man, upstairs today. This man goes on farmer, you know?
Yeah, look how pretty. Mm. Come and walk. Sweet peeps. Yeah, so far we reach. I'm going good now. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we deal with the thing when I deal with it though. Yeah. Yeah, man. So things said. Yo, think man, what do you know? Put strength on it and come down, you know. Show the people them how we do it. You see when we the eye, we just tie and make that thick man, the seam there. Go there. Shows it, does it easy.
So what do you think? Rope it up, Kanga. Rope it up.
So you see it? One man I rope it up, say, no, could because the man chang, could I flick the man, I flick you over there. Easy, take time, man. Man, they make a job on you over there. Nah, man.
So we deal with it, man. Like that kind of shot, so you have to angle, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, my general.
See,
Come on.
hug up the board and gone. Yeah. No.
Just go to him nail the same time. That is it, man.
That is it.
So we deal with it. Catch you in the next action here.
That is it. That is it. That me never remember. Put over the board.
That's it. I think I will like to cook one time. I should want to play in my mouth. Nah, my young black man, you look. I want to just ban.
Thank you for watching this video. See you in another update.